Alright guys, Murdoch is back here. Putting the POV, we are lit, we are live. In the C240. Let me just get a quick walk around. And yeah. All right, boys, we putting the ways in back home, and we're gonna be safe. Put it down over here. Car is on, and we are live. So. How do I get out of here? That is gonna be this video for today. How do I get out of here? Cause I really don't know. Just have the window down, heated seat on. Hear that V6. Feels amazing, this car. Great suspension, really good handling, probably the best for this time. This is a 2005, I believe, C240 4MATIC, and look at that braking, just effortless. I love it. And there we go. Going down onto Buckeyes Town. Saw that diesel. Good God. Give it a little pull right here. And we're off. Going on the highway. Alright, so we're going to I-270 South. Nice little speed. Great speed, honestly. This car is perfectly balanced as I'm speaking. Just a beautiful car. And we'll look on the dash. If you can see on my triptometer, even gives you distance, after start, there's the miles. So we have 100,016